Hello everyone. We know that a pH indicator can be used to test if a solution is acidic or basic or neutral. But what about using an indicator to test neutralization of an acidic or a basic solution? It can be done, and here we'll see how it is done. Just to recall that an indicator is a substance which changes color when a solution turns to acidic or basic. Litmus paper, phenolphthalein and methyl orange, turmeric, all these are examples of indicator. For this activity I am going to use turmeric solution as an indicator, and beside this turmeric solution I have taken lemon juice, which is acid, soap water, which is a base, 2 empty bowls and a dropper. First of all, I am going to take a little bit of lemon water in one bowl. And in another bowl, I am going to take a little bit of soap solution. Now I am going to add a few drops of turmeric solution to each bowl and note the color change. As we can see here, adding turmeric solution to the soap water, the color changes to red brown. But we don't see any color change in solution of lemon water. Actually, turmeric is an indicator that only changes its color when it is added to a base, and it remains unaffected when it is added to an acid. Now I am going to add this lemon water, which is an acid, drop by drop to the solution of soap water and turmeric. While adding this drop of lemon water, we need to shake it well. As we are adding the lemon water into the solution, we see the color change, and now I don't need to add more acid to this solution when the solution regains the color of the turmeric, which is yellow, that you can see here very well. Now, can you explain what happened here? Can you explain what happened here? A neutralization reaction occurred when the lemon water, which is an acid, was added to the basic soap solution. When the amount of acid and base in the solution became equal, the solution ceased to be either acidic or basic, and at this point the solution is neutral. Now adding more acid to the solution would make the solution acidic, and similarly adding more base to the solution would make the solution basic. This is the experiment, and acid, base and indicators are used in titration, which is commonly used in chemistry lab to test the concentration of acids and bases. Thank you.